Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S23 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to find the build number, which I believe will be in the software information. Yes, as you can see it is right here, and basically all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. As you can see, there is an information that the developer mode has been turned on, and be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm your host app. So now we can go back to the general settings, and as you can see, after scrolling down again to the very bottom, you've got the developer options, which should appear right under the About Phone. So let's enter, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize, as you can see. So for example, you can show text ID if you want to, you can change the window animation scale, you can show surface updates, show visual feedback for tabs, for example. Here you've got some options which are connected to Bluetooth and actually overall to the networking, because as you can see, we've got the USB, we've got the tethering, and we've got also the Wi-Fi and so on. So a lot of advanced options, and basically if you want to turn on the option, it works just like in a kind of regular menu, regular system options, and just tap on the switcher, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here for example in the window animation scale, again it will work the same, just tap on it in order to open much more options. So if you're done with customization of developer options, and if you want to turn them off, just tap on the switcher at the very top, and most of the options will be inactive. And after getting back to the system general settings, the developer options will disappear from the list. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So basically that's all. This is how to enable the developer options in your Samsung Galaxy S23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.